I'm Carrie Schwartz and I work out of the University of Arizona. I'm with Cooperative Extension and I direct the Arizona Project WET program. What we're looking at today is called the Arizona Water Festival. It's our oldest program. It's a 4th grade program, and to make this happen you need not only the school district but you need the community. And Susanna Hitchcock has been a partner for 12 years. We've put this on together. She's with the Yuma Utilities and she brings a team out here that has all of its own equipment. They set it all up on their own. So this festival is really about the impact of water on these kids' lives. So we want them to understand the different parts of the system so that they know the importance of water and where their water comes from. And then of course take that next step towards action where they're really saying, hey, we have to conserve water and we have technology now that we can use in our homes to conserve water.
A watershed is?
A watershed is
A
land area
a land area
that flows to a low point.
Ice is
a solid
and the water is
a liquid
and the steam is
gas.
Yeah, good job.
Hi, I'm Susanna Hitchcock and I work for the City of Yuma Utility Department, and we are the organizers of the Yuma Area Water Festival. We have 3 areas that we divide the kids up in. They have 4 activities that they go over. They are water conservation, the water cycle, groundwater, and watershed. So the kids learn a lot, they have a lot of fun, it's very interactive, and once again this is a community-based event and it couldn't happen without our volunteers.
I've learned how the water cycle works today.
I learned about how groundwater moves into lakes.
We use about 100 gallons of water each day. That's what I learned.
It's really fun because we have to do different activities and it's fun.